Did you know that incorporating just one secret superfood into your diet could help lower your average blood sugar level by a surprising 15%? If you're looking for a delicious and effective way to manage diabetes, you won't want to miss today's video. Before we dive into the world of diabetic superfoods, let's get a better understanding of diabetes and why diet plays a pivotal role in managing this condition. Diabetes is a chronic health condition that affects how our bodies utilize glucose, the primary source of energy. There are two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes. This form of diabetes occurs when the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. As a result, individuals with type 1 diabetes require insulin injections to regulate their blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes. In type 2 diabetes, the body becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't produce enough of it. This leads to elevated blood sugar levels, and while it can often be managed through lifestyle changes, some people may require medication or insulin therapy. When it comes to managing diabetes, diet plays a crucial role. This is where the concept of diabetic superfoods comes into play. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that provide exceptional health benefits. Diabetic superfoods take it a step further by being specifically beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. These superfoods not only help maintain stable blood sugar levels, but also provide essential nutrients, promote heart health, and contribute to overall well-being. What exactly makes a food a diabetic superfood? Diabetic superfoods are natural foods that are low in glycemic index, packed with essential nutrients, and offer numerous health benefits for individuals with diabetes. Here are the criteria for selecting diabetic superfoods. A. Low glycemic index, GI, foods that do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. B. High in fiber to aid digestion and slow down the release of glucose. C. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support overall health. Are you ready to discover the ultimate diabetic superfoods that can make a real difference in managing your diabetes? Let's dive right in. A. Berries, for example, blueberries, strawberries. Berries are not only delicious, but also low in sugar and high in antioxidants. These vibrant fruits are packed with essential vitamins and minerals while providing a sweet and satisfying treat. B. Leafy greens, for example, spinach, kale. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, making them ideal for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. They are also rich in vitamins and minerals, supporting overall health. C. Beans and legumes, for example, lentils, chickpeas. Beans and legumes are nutritional powerhouses. They are high in fiber and protein, low in glycemic index, and provide a steady release of energy. Incorporating them into your meals can help regulate blood sugar and promote satiety. D. Whole grains, for example, quinoa, brown rice. Whole grains such as quinoa and brown rice are rich in fiber and essential nutrients. They offer a slower glucose absorption rate compared to refined grains, supporting stable blood sugar levels and providing sustained energy. E. Fish, for example, salmon, mackerel. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been shown to support heart health and may help reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. F. Nuts and seeds, for example, almonds, chia seeds. Nuts and seeds are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They provide a satisfying crunch while helping to manage blood sugar levels. Incorporating almonds, chia seeds, and other varieties into your diet can offer numerous health benefits. G. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein-rich option that is low in sugar and supports gut health. It can be enjoyed on its own or used as a versatile ingredient in various dishes, making it a great addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. H. Avocado. Avocados are a great source of monounsaturated fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. They provide a creamy texture and can be used as a healthy alternative to butter or mayonnaise, adding richness and flavor to meals. I. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been studied for its potential to help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Sprinkling a little cinnamon on your meals or incorporating it into recipes can provide a delicious and potentially beneficial addition to your diabetic diet. J. Turmeric. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. While more research is needed, it shows promise in potentially aiding diabetes management. Adding turmeric to your dishes can add flavor and potentially contribute to your overall well-being. These are just a few of the incredible diabetic superfoods available. Now that we know the incredible benefits of diabetic superfoods, let's explore some practical tips to incorporate these nutrient powerhouses into your daily meals. A. Recipe ideas. Get creative in the kitchen by trying out delicious recipes that feature the diabetic superfoods we mentioned earlier. For example, you could make a refreshing berry spinach salad, a hearty lentil and vegetable stew, or a flavorful grilled salmon with avocado salsa. The possibilities are endless. B. Portion control and balanced meals. While incorporating superfoods, it's important to maintain portion control and ensure balanced meals. Focus on including a variety of superfoods, along with lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This way, you can create well-rounded meals that support your overall health and diabetes management. C. Meal planning and prepping. To ensure consistent consumption of diabetic superfoods, consider meal planning and prepping. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals and snacks, incorporating the superfoods into your menu. Prepare and portion your meals in advance, making it easier to stick to your dietary goals even on busy days. D. Consult with a registered dietitian. Remember, everyone's nutritional needs are unique. It's always a good idea to consult with a registered dietitian who specializes in diabetes management. They can provide personalized advice, help you create a tailored meal plan, and address any specific concerns or questions you may have. If you're looking for an even better way to manage diabetes and receive personalized guidance, we have something special for you. Click on the link in the description box below to discover a comprehensive program designed to empower individuals with diabetes on their path to wellness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content.